Hello, welcome to the RP1.VC suite of video conferencing services. In this video, you'll learn how to start an RP1Cloud video conferencing call using your RP1.VC portal. The RP1.VC portal makes it easy to dial out to another endpoint and connect it to your RP1Cloud meeting. To do so, first go ahead and log into your RP1.VC portal. Here, you can launch a new call by dialing out to one or more endpoints, and you can also add more endpoints to a call already in progress. Let's focus first on launching a new call by dialing out to one or more endpoints. Click the Initiate Dial-Out button. There are several options available for dialing out to an endpoint. You can dial out manually, entering the SIP or H.323 address of the endpoint, or you can choose from pre-existing endpoint addresses in the Quick Dial tabs. If you're dialing out to a SIP address, select SIP for the video protocol and enter the domain name of the endpoint in question. Then click Add. If you're dialing out to an endpoint with an IP address, select H.323 for the video protocol, enter the IP address, and click Add. Quick Dial addresses are located in the Recent, Favorites, Directory, or RP1 Rooms tabs. You can add participants by clicking the Add button in that row. The Recent tab may be the easiest option if you are dialing out to an endpoint you had recently dialed out to. Find the endpoint you wish to dial and click the Add button, or click Save to Favorites. The Favorites tab is useful if you have numerous endpoint listings in your directory and you want to designate a few of those endpoints as favorites for easy access. These endpoints might be your team members, key partners, or your boss. To select an endpoint in your favorites list that you would like to add to your call, find the endpoint you wish to dial and click the Add button. Build your favorites list by clicking Save to Favorites when you are in the other tabs. As an added feature, the Favorites tab as well as the Directory and RP1 Rooms tabs all share a search field. If you have several endpoints saved in any of these tabs, you can find them by typing identifying information into this field to narrow your search results. The Directory tab is populated with endpoints you choose to include by clicking the Add Directory Entry button. For example, these could be all the endpoints in your organization. From the directory, you can delete entries, save them to favorites, or add endpoints to the dial-out video call you wish to initiate. Please note, only an administrator can add and delete a directory entry. Finally, if you're subscribed to the RP1 Room service, the RP1 Rooms created for your account will appear in this tab so that you can easily dial out to them and connect them to your video call. RP1 Rooms are endpoints that have been registered to the RP1Cloud service. Once you have entered or selected the endpoints you wish to dial out to, you will notice they appear at the top of the Initiate Dial-Out window. Click Start Meeting and Add Participants. This will initiate a dial-out sequence to the selected endpoints. It's important to remember you can also add more endpoints to a call already in progress via the RP1.VC portal. The live call in question will appear in the RP1.VC dashboard, and from the roster view you can click the Add Participants button to add one or more endpoints to the call. Participants receiving the call must accept to be connected unless the endpoint is set to auto answer. Thanks for watching.